Hello everybody and welcome back. Here's a little bit of a quick update here. As you can see, 3 out of the 4 beans are up and the other one is actually just starting to grow there. The sweet corn we planted, yes, they're doing very well. That's actually started, and the kale started. That was Swede. Only got one of them come up so far, but the kale's doing good. The broad beans, I mean, they really should be going out. The radish are doing well, getting true sets of leaves now. As are the sweet peas, doing really well. And we've got our chard over there, and we've got our banana shallots growing. These are our Chinese cabbage. So they're all doing really well. This is the garlic. Nearly time to repot them on as they're starting to bulk out a bit. You're getting some seeds. And the onion sets, as you can see, they're all going really well. So that's pretty good. As you can see, they're only just outside, not even in a cloche or anything like that. They're just sitting out on the patio here, and they seem to be doing away rather well. Obviously, if there's a risk of frost, I will actually put them into the greenhouse. And there you go. Thanks for watching.